Hi, I am Shervin from SOS Wildlife and Pest Control Services. For the past 9 years, we have been doing animal removal and pest control for both residential and commercial properties. Birds are generally a seasonal problem in the spring, summer, and sometimes fall. They don't make holes, but find entry points and gaps into the structure. They can bring nesting material, lay eggs, and be quiet, noisy. If they laid eggs or have babies, we always ask if the client can wait a bit longer until they are grown and able to fly. And then once we are sure that they are all out, we seal the entry point so they cannot get back in. We always warranty that what we do, especially the area that we have worked on. Let us know if you have any question regarding bird removal.